my dear students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, do you remember what we have learned in the previous session? Yes, try to remember. We will take a short preview of that. Yes, correct. In the last session, we have learned about air. In that, what exactly we have seen? Yes, air is everywhere. Wherever we will see, air is there. And listen student, air does not have any color, it does not have any taste. Only we can feel the air. Also we have seen that the need of air. Why do we need air or other living things? Yes, all plants, animals, human beings need air to live. Correct. And plants need air. Why? Why they need air? Yes, they need air to prepare their own food. Also we have seen the uses of air. So what are the uses of air? Air is useful to dry clothes. It helps birds to fly. We can feel air in the tires. Air helps boats to sail, as well as air helps kites to fly. So these are some uses of air. Okay. So see students, today we will see some question answers based on this lesson. So everyone open your book and keep in front of you. Open page number 156 and take your pencils. Are you ready students? Have you opened page number 156? Okay, very good. Listen, things you know. Question A. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. See, first question is of fill in the blanks. Downside, one help box is given, and in that help box the answers are also given. From that you have to choose the correct answer. See, I am going to read question 1. Air is dash dash. I will read the words which are given in help box. Air, boat, everywhere, and wind. Can you tell me which is the correct answer? Air is dash dash. Correct. Air is everywhere. So what you will write here? Everywhere. Write E V E R Y. Write with me. W H E R E. What is the correct sentence now? The air is everywhere. Done. One more time I will repeat the spelling. E V E R Y W H E R E. Everywhere. Now come to the next question. Moving air is called dash dash. What is moving air? Air, boat, wind. What is the correct answer? Moving air is called boat? No. Correct. Moving air is called wind. Right here. W I N D. Moving air is called wind. Next, we need air to sail a dash dash. With the help of air, boat can sail in water. Correct. Right here, boat. B O A T. Boat. Means we need air to sail a boat. Done? Are you writing with me? Very good. Next, number 4. Birds need dash dash to fly. What do birds need to fly? Water? No? Then what do they need? Correct. Birds need air to fly. Done? See children, one more time I will repeat the sentences with their answers. Air is everywhere. Moving air is called wind. We need air to sail a boat. Birds need dash dash to fly. Birds need air to fly. Done? Now come to the next question. Question B. Write yes or no. Here some sentences are given. If those sentences are correct, you have to write yes in front of them. If the sentences are wrong, you have to write no in front of them. Okay? See, first sentence. We all need air to breathe. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. All living things, living things means animals and human beings need air to breathe. Done? Next question. We fill water into cycle tires. Is it correct? With what do we fill the cycle tires? With water? No. We fill air into cycle tires. So it is the wrong. So what you will write here? No. No. We don't fill water into cycle tires. Next. Air fills up a balloon when we blow into it. Is it correct? Yes, when we blow air into the balloon, it gets filled up in the balloon. So it is correct. Right. Y-E-S. Yes. Done. Next. Dust and smoke make the air dirty. Is it correct? Yes, dust particles and smoke from factory chimneys, buses, car, they make air very dirty. So it is also correct. So we will write yes. Done? Write fast. Next, see children. Question C. Tick the pictures that show moving air. See children, downside 5 pictures are given and from that you have to find out the picture which shows moving air. Okay. Now see, this is the picture of plant. In this picture, tell me, does it show moving air? Yes, it shows moving air. Next picture, see the one girl is standing. Her hair and skirt, they are moving. It means it shows moving air. Correct? So make tick mark. Done. The first picture also shows moving air. Second picture also shows moving air. Next, see the third picture. This is the coconut tree. Does it shows moving air? No, it does not show moving air. So we will not do anything in that box. Next, see, these are the pages. What are those? Those are pages. Okay. It also does not show moving air. Next, see, what do you see in next picture? Yes, the clothes are hanging on the string. Does it show moving air? Yes, correct. It shows moving air. Done? Means first picture, second picture and fifth picture shows moving air. Done? Now come to the next question. See question D. Answer in one or two words. Here you have to write answer only in one or two words. Okay. First question. Where is air found? Where is air found? In your home, outside the home, in school, in bank. Where do air find? Yes, everywhere, not only in particular place. Air is everywhere. So write here everywhere. E-V-E-R-Y. First letter must be capital. E-V-E-R-Y. Everywhere. W-H-E-R-E. Everywhere. Done? Next. Can we feel air? Can you feel air? Yes or no? Yes, we can feel air. So what you will write here? You will write yes. We can feel air, but we can't see or we can't taste the air. Done? Next question. What is moving air called? Moving air means wind, breeze or storm. What is moving air is called? Yes, correct. Moving air is called wind. Right. W-I-N-D. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Done? Now everyone come to the next page. See children, what is the next question? Answer in one sentence. Here you have to give the answers in one sentence. What is the first question? What is breeze? Can you tell me what is breeze? Moving air or gentle wind? Yes, a gentle wind is called a breeze. Correct. A gentle wind is called a breeze. What is the next question? Name two things we can do to keep the air clean. Can you tell me any two things to keep the air clean? Yes, I will tell you, listen. We can plant more trees or we can ride a bicycle. Okay, these two things we can do to keep the air clean. Next, how do we breathe? Tell me, how do we breathe? Correct, we breathe through our nose. Got it? We breathe through our nose. Okay. Now come to the next question. What is next question? Listen students. Question F. Get busy. Listen. We have learned that air cannot be tasted or seen. Yes, already we have learned that air does not have any color or it does not have any taste, but it can be felt. Write 3 ways in which you feel the air. Here you have to write 3 ways to feel the air. Okay, so are you ready? See, I will write first way. Listen. Have you ever done this activity, the blowing of your notebook? Blow notebook, you can fill the air like this. See, if it is your, see, it is your notebook. If you will blow the pages of notebook like this, you can fill the air. Okay, so you can write here, write blow air by your notebook. Your notebook, you can fill it. You can fill it. Can you tell me another way to fill the air? This is the first way to fill air, means blow air by your notebook, you can fill it. Next one, I will tell you, ride a bicycle on windy day. When the day is windy, that time if you will ride a bicycle, you can fill the air. So you can write here, ride a bicycle on windy day. You can fill it very easily. Next, yes, see, next one, blow a balloon I have shown this activity when we started the lesson. Blow a balloon and blow a balloon with air, and afterwards leave it and leave it. You can fill air. When you will blow a balloon and if you will leave it, then you can fill the air. Done? Now come to the next activity. See, things to do. What is the activity given here? Making a paper plane. I think you all know this activity. See what is given here. Take the help of your teacher or an elder. Follow the steps shown in the images and make your own paper plane. Downside, see, some steps have given. You have to see those steps and you have to make your own paper plane. Now you can see for yourself how air helps aeroplanes to fly. See children, here some steps are given to make a airplane. With the help of that, you can make the airplane and throw it in air. That time you can see how air helps to fly that aeroplane. Okay, I can also show you that activity like this, or you can take a small paper. So see, from one side you have to fold the paper like this, from next side also fold the paper like this. Okay, Now upside it will look like a triangle shape. Then fold it downside like this. Then once again fold it. Okay, you have to fold it like this. Then once again fold the paper back side. Okay, it will look like this. Then fold the paper like this. Downside you have to fold the paper, and from this side also you have to fold the paper like this. Now see, it becomes your airplane. Like this your plane will look. Okay, in this way also you can make, or here some steps are given. You can follow the steps and you can make your airplane. So see children, if you will throw it in air, air helps to fly this airplane. Okay, so will you do this activity? Okay, very good. Now once again look at to the board. So listen children, one more activity is given here. What is that activity? The air is the cleanest early in the morning. Ask your parents to take you on a morning walk to enjoy the morning air. Find out why the morning air is the cleanest. Okay, while teaching lesson I told you the early in the morning the air is very clean, and if you want to find out or if you want to enjoy the morning air, you can ask your parents to take you on a morning walk so that you can enjoy the morning fresh air, and find out why the morning air is cleanest. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow you go to walk with your parents early in the morning and tell me the reason in the next session why the air is clean early in the morning. I will ask you. Okay, so students, today we have completed the exercise of this lesson. Once again you have to read out the lesson as well as question answers, and you have to do these two activities. So here we will stop and we will meet in the next session. Till that, take care. Bye students.